Okay, so we have mostly a stable orbit with this planetoid. It's a little bigger than Earth, but not a lot bigger than Earth. And then we have a moon that is approximately the same distance as ours to the Earth. Looks less, but that's because Kepler's bigger. Now, if I was to add an Earth to the scene without actually adding it, you'll see how big it is. So here's the Earth, little ghost ball, Earth, next to the planetoid to show you how big Earth is. I'm not going to add it though. Over there, you'll see me trying to make this actually a livable planet, so it's a big mess. There's no atmosphere though. I don't know how to add an atmosphere. So, discounting that, yeah, here's our moon. I'm gonna go to it real quick. So, I was sent a thing on Discord that's gonna pop up on the screen right now. And essentially, what it's supposed to be is a moon orbiting a planet, but the moon has its own smaller satellite. Now, I was told that the moon is likely the size of Phobos, but the image makes it look like it's bigger. So I will add Phobos first, just to show you. So if we track Phobos, alright, so now we're going to just boost this up a little bit. So right now it's going at half an hour per second, so 36 minutes per second. So I'm going to increase this here. So you'll notice it's now in elliptical orbit. It's because the other planetoid, where is it? I can't see it. There it is. Alright. So the other planetoid that's over there just pulled the moon away from orbit. Now, being as small as it is, it's going to be inconsequential to the bigger moon's orbit for the most part. It's going to cause a wobble, but nothing much. But you'll see that it's no longer orbiting it. That initially the orbit seems stable, but within less than a single planetary revolution, the secondary satellite is already destabilized. This primary one is not, though, not yet. But the secondary is destabilized, and now it's already out of orbit with this one. That's kind of why you don't see a planet with a moon that has a smaller moon. That just never works. Not in real physics. And this game uses a very solid approximation of real physics. You just don't see moons orbiting moons that orbit planets. It never really works that way. What you do see, however, is a single large planetoid with a few moons. Now, our little primary satellite here is doing pretty good. But yeah, so now we have technically 3 moons orbiting the planet now in a semi-stable orbit. You got this one orbiting the main planetary body, and you got this one orbiting at an elliptical orbit around the planetary body. That's actually common in terms of moons. So you have a near perfect circular orbit with this one, and 2 elliptical orbits, because I tried to fix the one with the other one. Now I can delete this one and just leave that one, but you'll see that there's just now 2 moons in orbit around the main planet, and that's why you don't see a moon orbiting a planet. It just never works.